How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be my entry into Cliff and Jamie G's motorcycle group build and Christmas card shout out and 4,000 subscriber giveaway. Before we get to that, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes the world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. And this channel never asks you for anything, guys. Not at all. All I ask is if you have mentioned anybody in the community, I always leave their link in the description below, and that's where you'll go find them. Go to their channels, like, share, subscribe. You know the whole 9 yards. All right, let's get this started. I got a late Christmas card in. Better late than never. Ed from 125 Rods. Merry Christmas, brother, and Happy New Year. Thank you for the kind words. Appreciate you, brother. Awesome card. Thank you very much. And this here will be my entry into the motorcycle group build. This here is a 124 scale that I got off old Jimmy. Leadhead Customs. Let's see, it's a Suzuki 500cc 124 scale. And it's a super bike. And it's got the, I can't tell what race livery that is for sure. But it's never been built. Let's open this thing up and I'm going to show y'all. Everything's still sealed. I'm not even going to really do an unboxing other than this right here. You can see it's all still in the plastic. Not a whole lot of parts to it, but very cool kit. And that is my entry. Jamie G and Cliff, if y'all's not in their group build, it starts January 1st. I think it goes till October. Go check it out. That's my entry right there. Now, let's get to the meat and potatoes of this video. This right here. This is my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. It is the AMT Cow Drag Combo. It's the Falcon, the Galaxy, and trailer. All three. Still sealed. Still has a price tag on it, guys. Never been opened. This is going to be somebody's today. Put this over here. I have 77 entries right here. You can see right there. There they all are. You people that entered, y'all know what video it was on. That's how I like to do my... I don't come out and say I'm having a giveaway. Never do. I don't like doing it like that. So, the true people that actually will stick around for a video, there you go, guys. You're the winners. So, that being said, I took the numbers and I put them in this Johan box right here. You can see right there. They're all in there. And what we're going to do is my lovely assistant is going to shake these up and pull me a number, and then we're going to go over here to the numbers, and we're going to get a winner. They're all in there. You hear that? Oh, yeah. I'm going to hand it over to her. I'm going to pause you out. All right. Now open her up and give me a number, baby girl. Oh, that's my lovely assistant, too. You need glasses? They're on your head.
I know. 23.
23. All right. Let's go over here to number 23. Let's get this out. Let's see. That one's not it. Let's go down this one right here. The Bearded Guy, Jeff Lawless. All right, Jeff. This sucker's going to Kentucky. This is yours, bro. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber, Jeff. Love you, brother. Kentucky bound it is.